What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to talk about Cardano and how it is playing exactly like I predicted in my last Cardano video. If that sounds good to you guys, make sure you scrap that subscribe button down below and watch the entire video to see what I think about Cardano. Now let's jump right on into the video. As we jump right on into the Cardano, a little bit long-term time frame chart like I like to start off with in my video, guys, you can see we're playing exactly like I said in my last video. As you can see, we've been creating these support and resistance flips all the way up since our Bud Light crash back in March. We had a support and resistance flip here, support and resistance flip here, support and resistance flip here, and support and resistance flip here. You guys know I love to say in every one of my videos, the most bullish thing I can see with a crypto market is a support and resistance flip. When you break through an old resistance and you come back down and touch it as support and then continue the rise. That is the most bullish thing in my technical analysis and my kind of point of view. Let me know what you guys think about the support and resistance flips and your guys' opinions down in the comment section below. Always like to know what you guys think. Now let's jump on in here. My last video I made right about where we were at this point here, where this last red candle was, right about here. As you can see, we've done the exact same thing we've done in this whole way up. We break through the old resistance, which was right here, and we came back up through the resistance and came back down and actually wicked right to it as support exactly perfectly. We now created this as new support, and we get a huge bounce all the way back up to this range here, guys, which is extremely bullish in my mind. And now Cardano is Cardano is kind of leaving the market right now, which you don't usually see. It's a very good sign when the smaller cap altcoins are actually leading Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still kind of chopping around in this area and hasn't broken out yet, but Cardano has actually broken its old resistance and gotten to its new local high. This is the highest Cardano has been since June of 2019. That little fake bull run that we had in summer of 2019. Now you can see where this is where huge resistance is kind of. We broke through that first red line that I had drawn here, and I can see our next resistance kind of being where this next red line is, where we wicked up here about 3 times, broke through it here, but it had a few wicks, smaller wicks, wick up to this second red line here. That's where I think the next resistance will be for Cardano. I think we're going to come back up, test this resistance, come back down, test this as support, and then continue the rise sometime in the middle of July. As you can see, we love kind of consolidating for about 2 weeks each time before every pump, and then kind of taking off. This consolidation was a little bit longer because, like I say, altcoins usually follow Bitcoin, not vice versa. But when an altcoin starts popping off, despite Bitcoin actually dropping, that is a very bullish sign for that altcoin. Now let's jump into this little bit shorter time frame Cardano chart here, guys. And this is the next thing I want to talk about. We were kind of in this symmetrical triangle. This is how I kind of had it drawn. We had 3 touches on the bottom, one here, and one here. I like to think that a pattern isn't a pattern until you have at least 3 touches on the top and bottom. And what do you know? We had 1 touch here, 1 touch here on the top, and then another 3rd touch here on the top. You would think that we came back down and test this as support, but we didn't. We actually came back down and actually just ripped through the triangle. And when the old local high, once we broke out of the triangle, we actually came back down and wicked and tested and got bought right back up as soon as we got back to the old local high here, which exactly is like what I say with my support and resistance flips. This should now act as new support, and we should not fall down below this level, bearing any type of second huge crash like we saw back in March. I think this is just the continuation for the bull run for 2020 and 2021. This is the time to buy, guys. If you guys haven't bought into some of your favorite altcoins, time's ticking. Everyone's expecting the bull run to start in 2020 or 2021. The time is ticking to get these altcoins at low prices, because once they start to move, you're not going to want to buy when it starts moving really fast, because that's when people are going to start unloading their bags, and you're going to end up buying a local top, and you're going to end up selling when it flash crashes back down. So you guys want to buy low so you feel a little bit more comfortable holding when it does go up and flash crashes. You won't sell because you not feel like you're losing anything because you already got in at a low price. It's all psychological. Now's the time you want to get into these altcoins before they really start moving, and you want to be on the right kind of term of the trade, as you would say. This is kind of what I see with Cardano. Let me know what you guys think about Cardano in the comment section below. But I also wanted to talk about a third thing. It's kind of more on the Bitcoin, because altcoins follow Bitcoins. I like to talk about Bitcoin just a little bit in every one of my videos, because it's super important to look at what Bitcoin is actually doing. You look at this Bitcoin chart today. This is kind of the last cycle for Bitcoin. This is from about 2015 about 2013 to about 2017, a little bit past that, but this is kind of the chart. The blue line here is the chart from the last bear and bull cycle combined. This is the huge run up of 27 and 2018, and this is the bear market of 2015 and 2016. As you can see, it almost perfectly lines up. It's a little bit flawed because we did have a little bit more of a pump in the 2019 time frame. We had a pump here, but that was kind of a continuation of the bull trend. We're a little bit more choppy this time around. We had a huge pump and then a huge sell-off. We were pretty much about in the same spot as we were last time, all things considered. We're a little bit lower because we did have this Bud Light crash. We say it every time, hope this doesn't happen again. That could always ruin what happens with Bitcoin and the other altcoins. But assuming something like that doesn't happen again, this is what I kind of see happening for the next 2 years and beyond. Let me know what you guys think about this kind of fractal here. I always like to look at these fractals and see how we're kind of playing out versus the last cycles, and if anything is hugely different. To me, this looks almost exactly the same, bearing a little bit, a little more volatile this time around, which actually volatile usually means higher volume. So that's usually a bullish thing when you see higher volumes. A little more volatile, which means when it's going up, it's going to go up a lot faster than it did last time. We're pretty much in the same spot. We're a little bit lower because of the flash crash, like I said. But I see this kind of climb, and once we break out of this consolidation range that we've been in for about almost 3 months, this has been one of the most boring 3 months period that I've seen since all the way back here in late 2018 to early 2019. That was a really boring 6 months. This has been 3 months. It feels like longer than 3 months. We need to get out of consolidation package. I'm ready for a move, whether it actually be to the downside or the upside. I'm ready for a move. If it goes lower, I'm going to pack more of my bags. If it goes higher, I'm going to jump on my rocket ship to the moon, guys. Let me know what you guys think is going to happen next with Bitcoin, because what happens with Bitcoin is going to lead to what happens more so with altcoins. You will see some pop, but for the most part, most of them will follow Bitcoin into the abyss. As Crypto Kirby says, you guys watch his videos, awesome videos, watch his videos every single day. But yeah, that's pretty much what I had today, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you smack that subscribe button. It keeps me motivated to make these videos every single day for you guys. I'm gonna go outside. It's actually raining out right now, so I'm not gonna go outside today. I usually say that during every video. I'm gonna go and do my little home workout plan since I've been doing since Bud Light. Right now, I like to stay in shape, like to eat healthy, eat my veggies today. Make sure you guys do the same. Don't stare at the charts all day. Get active. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.